Let's get started building a website for your pet boarding business. So first visit mightysites.com. It's only $9 a month. Makes it really easy to create a simple professional website for any type of local business. Today I'm going to show you a pet boarding business. So I'm just going to simply start by typing in pet boarding to find the pet boarding service website template. And then I'll just put in Keegan's Pet Boarding and then city and state, Denver, Colorado. Type of business, you could put service business or other. So I'm just going to click continue. And now just like that, the website platform is actually going to automatically generate a simple professional website for my pet boarding service. So there are images, there are text included, and all you have to do is make edits to the website to make it the way that you like it. And you can see that the website is all mobile friendly too. So if it's viewed on any type of device, it's going to look really good across any type of device that it's viewed on too. So it's a really great website platform. Now again, it's only $9 a month and there's a free trial. And all you really need to do next is start playing around with making the site look the way you want. So you can play around with different color themes. So let's just say like blue makes sense or green. You can just pick the color theme that makes sense for your business and then select that. And then you go to update section and easily update any of these sections that you want. So let's just say I want to show my email address. I'll just put my email address in here and I'll click show it on the website. It'll automatically show up. I can put in my phone number, same thing. Now my phone number shows up on the site. If I want to add my social media link so people can check out my pet boarding location or any photos I've added to social media, just go in and I add that information as well. So I can save that, close it. Now if I want to update the menu, I can just go over here and new nav item, whatever I want it to say, choose where it links. So my website, another place, upload a PDF. So I can just, for right now, I'll just link to the about, confirm, click add to menu, save. And now I've got a new menu item there too. I can go over here to update logo and I can just browse my computer for my business logo. So if you have a logo for your pet boarding service, you can just find your logo from on your computer. So I'll just grab one here. For Mighty Sites, as soon as it uploads, I'll just click save. Now you can see that my logo appears right there. I can click on make it bigger or make it smaller. I can click on this pencil and there are all these image editing tools built into the system. So I'll just go down here. I'm just going to crop it a little bit at the top and bottom. So let me go like that. Click done. And then as soon as that loads, I'll click save. There we go. I just took a little space off the top and bottom. I like the look of that. So now with this section, I can edit this really easily. So cage-free pet boarding service, that's a pretty nice title. Boarding facility for cats and dogs. But if you want to just, do anything here, you can just type in what you want it to say too. And you can even put in a little subtext too, like high quality care you can count on, right? So whatever you want it to say, you can type in a little additional message too. Let's just say safe and reliable, right? So whatever you want it to say, people are trusting you with your pets, you can add that in there too. And then the book now button, I always like, you can have that say book now. I always like linking it to the lead form section. So I'll show you how that works. Or you could say like, maybe you wanted to say request service or something like that. Whatever it is you want it to say, you can just update and the button will update with that. So now if I click here on request service, it'll bring me right down here to the lead form section. So I'll show you that again. Brings me right down here to the lead section when I click on it, which is really nice. I can also change that to be my phone number, click to call, whatever you want it to be. And then if I want to change the photo to, I can go to update image and I can browse an image from my computer, or I can just search the photo library and you'll see that there are all these pre-built in images here too for you. So let's just say you really like this image. You can change and select that photo to be the background photo. The dog's not really clearly visible there. So let's try a different one. Let's try this one. That's a pretty cute one. So you can just change the photo and it's going to load here in a sec, but you can just change the photo out to whatever photo you want and then just click save. You can also then reset the selection if you don't like it, whatever you want it to do there too. So you can just load the photos right from that photo library that's included with the system. You can go over here and all these images, text, it's all pre-licensed for you to use. I can go over here to contact us. I can change that. Maybe I want it to call me when somebody clicks on it. So I just click on that action and save it. Now, if somebody clicks on that, it'll automatically call my pet boarding service. I can update any of this text. So if I wanted to say, this is how you make a website for a pet boarding service. So I can easily just type that in, click save, and there we go. Now I've got some new content there. So it's a really simple, easy system to use. And then when people are interested in your service, one of the best things that's going to happen is that people are going to submit their contact information here, right? That they're interested in your service. So we're all used to using contact forms. I would like to schedule a pet boarding service, and then click send. And as soon as I do that, I'll get a message that says it was sent. I'm going to click stop editing here just to show you. So once this is what the website will look like, really clean, professional, without those update section buttons. Those are only available to view for you. But then I go to the site dashboard. I can see I've got a new lead here, the one I just submitted. Now you can contact them to schedule and see if you're a good fit to do their pet boarding. You can also connect a custom domain. So if you go in here to Google Domains, you can or if you have a domain from GoDaddy, Google Domains, any of those, you can paste it in here, and then there's just a set of instructions for the updates you need to make with your registrar, and then the two will connect, and you'll have a secure, professional website for your business in no time. You can go back and click on Activate Editing Mode at any time to make updates, stop editing to see what it looks like, but you can see really quickly and easily, just like that, I was able to create a simple website for my pet boarding business. Again, it's only $9 a month. There's a link down at the bottom in the description of this video to start your free trial. So it's really easy to use, and good luck with your pet boarding service.